Here we are. This is the Hoover AXI. Care does total care, Wi-Fi, it's got steam, iron, spin delay, drying steam, delicate dry spin, wool, cotton whites, and synthetic in colours. It does work fine. As it is up for sale because I want a different one. I want a Samsung. So pretty up the scene. I'm gonna go and get a few other clothes, put a few clothes in, and then I'm going to show you it working. Okay. You have to bear with me because I do not have a thing to put it on. Put my phone on, so I'm just going to get a few clothes. I don't know where I'm going to put my phone. Let's put it there. Might be a minute. The washing always comes out nice, lovely, clean, fresh, every single time. And yeah, it's really, really good. I just don't want it. I just want a washing machine, that's all. This one is for sale for £490 because it's cost me £500 from Amazon. What I do is I turn it on and it makes that nice noise. When you press this one, it's all touch screen. You put your pods in or your washing powder in. Sorry about that, you have to turn down the volume. This machine is on eBay for $490, and I really don't want any less than $490 because, as I said, this has cost me £500, £579 brand new, and it's still brand new really. Well, you got your look, everything's brand new. And then you turn it on. To turn it on, you press this one, total care, and then you select dry, high heat, and then press start. There you go. Working. Absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Seat go around up. Nothing wrong with it at all. Nothing wrong with it at all. It's on eBay for $4.90. You got Wi-Fi as well, look. You just connect it to your phone. You got Steam. Absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. So if there was anything wrong with it, it wouldn't turn around, would it? So I've had a lot of back comments saying, "Oh, the machine's broken." It's not broken, as you can see. It's not broken at all. It just, you know, it just needs leveling a little bit. And when it spins, it just like just judders a little bit. That's all. That's all it does. It just needs some the feet adjusting. I can't do it because I'm disabled. It's a really nice machine. It's 10 plus 10 adds 6 kg. It's a big drum anyway. Head over to if you want to buy it, head over to eBay. Please don't place any silly offers, because I won't take any less than $4.90, or I mean I wouldn't take any less than $4.80. I mean I've gone down quite a lot. I've gone down 100 already. You know, this is still like a brand new machine. I've got all the packaging. I've got the different things to go in the back of the machine. Got all your different bits and bobs you need. It is under warranty. I did the warranty myself, so it's under free warranty. The bolts are out. They are out. So when you want to collect it, you have to screw these bolts back in. So if you head over to my eBay channel, not eBay channel, sorry, I mean my eBay thing, you'll see put in Hoover AXI washer dryer Wi-Fi. It's now going for $4.90. Won't take any less than that. Keep getting silly offers, and I just keep rejecting them. I don't know why they keep sending me silly offers, like £100. It's just silly. I just don't understand why. Very silly. So don't get sending me any silly offers. This is a very expensive machine. Nice chrome doors around here. Nice chrome all around the edge here, with the Hoover logo in the middle. You can control this with Alexa as well, and Google Chrome, Google Voice Assistant. It says under there somehow. Listen, it sounds perfect. Nice big machine. Get all your children's clothes in, get all your mum's clothes in, get everybody's clothes in. It's a nice big machine, nice big drum. That's lovely. I just wanted a Samsung one. I just picked the wrong one. That's the reason why I'm selling it. So there you go. It's very quiet as well. Very quiet. If you want it today, give me an ad on Facebook, or give me a message on Facebook, Dave OG Miles, and let me know. Okay? If anybody says this is broken, it's not broken. Here's the video, here's the proof. It's not broken. It's perfect. It's still a brand new machine. It's still working very, very well. So there you go. You can see the evidence yourself. This machine is brand new, perfect for you. Just not me, because I'm one of Samsung. So there you go. Have a nice day, everybody. And let's see if you're the next owner. Bye.